Good morning, everyone. This video is really for parents and students alike. At the beginning of this distance learning thing, I posted or sent out an email and basically told you guys that I would be meeting with algebra every Monday and Wednesday at 8, and I would meet with 8th grade from Monday and Wednesday at 9. Some of you guys are a little bit confused and telling me that you didn't realize that there were live lessons. Just so you know, those videos are recorded. I would love to see you guys in the live lesson, but if your child is telling you that they don't know how to do something or that I'm not teaching them something, all of the examples are worked in the book. So this is my algebra lessons. This is the meeting from Monday. If they aren't sure how to get to those videos, they can actually go where the meeting is on Microsoft Teams and look in these replies. And this is the actual meeting that posted. So this is a recording of me teaching that lesson. The same thing will happen as soon as the meeting's over. It actually posts right underneath the comments. Okay, so it's going to do the same thing for 8th grade as well. I also wanted to touch base with you guys before I had my baby, just to make sure that parents and students were all aware of where to find assignments. So I'm not really sure when this will actually come into play, but all of my lesson plans for till the end of the year are posted online, and the students can actually access these. For algebra, I've already pre-recorded all of the lessons, so this would be just like me teaching examples from the book. So let's just look at next week's, and this is the same for 8th grade. If the students click on these, so here's 8th grade. This tells you exactly what's expected for the week, and these are videos. Excuse me. These are videos that show them how to work the problems. So this tells them what Math Excel assignments they have to do. And then there's videos for both lessons. And then the same thing for algebra. So they can just access these videos and watch them and be ready to work those Math Excel problems. Okay, so I just wanted to make sure that you guys were aware that your son or daughter may not be informed, or may be telling you that there isn't any opportunity for them to learn how to do this whenever that is wrong. I'm getting some messages saying I didn't know that there was a lesson, or I don't know how to access the videos. So parents, ask your child about Microsoft Teams, and everything is uploaded on there. So the 8th grade has the exact same thing, and these are their lesson plans that are actually uploaded to both. But they can go through and watch these videos. The only difference is, and I said this the other day to whoever was in the meeting, for 8th grade, starting the week of the 27th, we actually finish our content in the book. So they're going to have to go to this website, deltamath.com, and put in this code to complete their assignment for that week. But I have talked to the kids. That was in Monday's recording, if anybody needs to go back and watch that. Okay, so I hope that clears some things up. If you have questions, please ask me sooner rather than later, just in case I'm unavailable. But I'm doing my best to help your child out and to help you guys out before I have this baby. So please just let me know if you need anything, and we'll talk to you soon.